Radiation from mobile towers can kill you. Can mobile towers and Wi-Fi signals really cause cancer? This question has been scaring people for years. But what is the truth? Today we will bust this myth. Many believe that radiation from mobile towers and Wi-Fi is harmful and can cause cancer. Viral WhatsApp messages and social media posts have spread this fear even further. But how much of this is true? The World Health Organization, WHO, the Indian Council of Medical Research, ICMR, and multiple scientific studies confirm that the radiation from mobile towers and Wi-Fi is non-ionizing radiation. What does that mean? It means this radiation is not strong enough to damage your DNA or cause cancer. In reality, non-ionizing radiation only produces minimal heat, similar to a microwave. However, the energy levels are so low that they have no harmful effects on the human body. This rumor started when some studies explored the possible effects of electromagnetic radiation on health. But pay attention, none of these studies directly link mobile tower radiation to cancer. Yes, excessive radiation exposure, like X-rays and gamma rays, can be dangerous. But mobile tower radiation is millions of times weaker than these. So, do mobile towers cause cancer? Absolutely not. This is just a myth. There are many rumors floating around us, but science always reveals the truth. Next time someone sends you such a message, share this video and show them the real facts. That's it for today's episode of Myth vs Reality. See you next time with another science myth and its truth.